30 divided by 1 over 3 multiply 3 equal what? Here this 30 division, this 3 and this 3 cancel out. Here this 1, here 30 division 1 gives us 30, but this answer is not correct. Now I will apply KCF rule to solve this math correctly. Here KCF, K for keep, C for change, F for flip. At first keep this fraction 30, change this division to multiplication and flip this 1 over 3 as 3 over 1. Multiply this 3. Here this 30 multiply this 3 over 1 can be written as 3. Multiply this 3. When we have more than one multiplication, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this multiplication. Here this 30 multiply 3 gives us 90. Multiply this 3. 90 multiply 3 gives us 270, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.